In the present lecture, we will discuss the example problem on pure strategy game by applying the Minimax and Maximin principle. Let's see the problem. Solve the game whose payoff matrix is given below. In the given game, player A having the 4 strategies and player B having the 5 strategies. Let's see the solution. We will find out the saddle point of a game by applying the Minimax and Maximin principle, and we obtain the saddle point, that is enclosed both in a circle and a rectangle. For this, first step is select the minimum element in each row of the payoff matrix and write them under row minima heading. Then we have to select the maximum element among these elements and enclose it in a rectangle. So first write down the row minima heading. Then we have to select the minimum value in the each row. In the first row, minimum value is the -2. In the second row, minimum value is the 1. In the third row, minimum value is the -4. And in the fourth row, minimum value is the -6. Next, we have to select the maximum value among these minimum elements. So here minimum elements are the -2, 1, -4 and -6. Among these elements, we have to select the maximum element, that is the 1. So this one we are calling as the Maximin. So maximum value among the minimum elements, that is we are calling as the Maximin. Here Maximin value is the 1. So this one is enclosed in a rectangle. This is the Maximin value. Step 2 is select the maximum element in each column of the payoff matrix and write them under column maxima heading. Then select the minimum element among these elements and enclose it in a circle. So first write down the column max heading. Then have to select the maximum value from the each column. So in the first column, maximum element is the 5. In the second column, maximum element is the 3. In the third column, maximum element is the 1. In the fourth column, maximum element is the 5. And in the fifth column, maximum element is the 6. Next, we have to select the minimum value among these maximum elements. So minimum value among the maximum elements of 5, 3, 1, 5, 6. Among these maximum elements, minimum value is the 1. This is one we are calling as the minimax value. So minimum value among the maximum elements we are calling as the minimax. Here minimax value is the 1 and enclose it in a circle. So next step is find out the elements that is same in the circle as well as the rectangle and mark the positions of such elements in the matrix. This element represents the value of the game and also we are calling as the saddle point. Here Maximin value is the 1 and enclosed in a rectangle. Similarly, minimax value is the 1 and enclosed in a circle. So here observe the minimax value equal to the maximin value. So that is equal to the 1. So this is we are calling as the value of the game, and also we are calling as the saddle point of the game. And position of this saddle point is the optimal strategy and is given by the A2 B3. So here position of the saddle point is row point of view second row, that is the A2, and the column point of view third column, that is the B3 column, which means so player A select the second strategy and player B select the third strategy. So optimal strategy is player A point of view, among the 4 strategies he will select the only second strategy. Similarly, player B point of view, among the 5 strategies he select the only third strategy. Then optimal strategy of player A is, so he will select the only second strategy. So he will neglect the remaining strategies. That's so optimal strategy of player A is 0, 1, 0, 0. Similarly, optimal strategy of the player B is, so here player B select the only third strategy and neglect the remaining strategies. So optimal strategy of player B is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. This is the solution, and thank you.